Today, I'll walk you through how to get a Notion database ID even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to locate your database ID so you can effectively integrate it into your projects. First, let's start by opening your Notion page. Simply navigate to your Notion workspace and select the page you want to work with. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The layout may vary based on updates or personal settings. Just look for your main workspace. Once you're on your Notion page, find the project that you want to get the database ID for. Click on it to open the project. This step is crucial because the database ID is specific to each project or database you create in Notion. Think of it like a unique address for your home. Now, here comes the important part. Check the URL at the top of your browser. The database ID is embedded within this link. It will appear as a long string of numbers and letters, usually following the last slash in the URL. This ID is essential for various integrations and automations you might want to set up later, similar to how a street address is necessary for delivering a package. Once you've located the database ID, make sure to copy it. You can do this by highlighting the ID and using the Ctrl and C shortcut to copy it to your clipboard. And that's it. You now have your Notion database ID ready for use. Remember, this ID is unique to each database, so if you need to find another one in the future, just repeat these steps. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.